Hello, another quick unboxing. This time it's for the MSI Pro B760-P DDR4 2 motherboard for Intel processors. Let's open it up. Now, as with most high-end motherboards, it doesn't have any seals on it, so the box is just going to open and it's not shrink wrapped. So we'll just open it up and have a look and see what you get. There's the board itself, which we'll come back to. Let's see what else we get in the box. You get a quick installation guide. There's a QR code apparently to scan. Various instructions about what goes where and things like that. It looks a bit generic, to be honest. So it's more a general one. They probably chuck it in with all their motherboards. European regulatory notices, prove it's compliant. Then you have an aluminium I/O shield, not printed, just stamped aluminium. There are some M.2 screws. I think that's an M.2, so it's M.2 riser and screw. That's looks like another M.2 one as well, which is more of a sort of clippy one, I think. M.2 locker. So you get two sorts of M.2 screws, one SATA cable, which seems a bit stingy, but one SATA cable. We'll move this box out of the way. I'll just show you the back of the box while we're here. Right, it's in my hand. So there's the back of it, so you get a better view of it. So it's got Gen 4 Lightning USB on it, M.2 shield frozer. So it's obviously got a heatsink on the I/O shield. There's the main features there. So it supports 12th and 13th gen Intel. It's socket LGA 1700. You can pause this and obviously read it, or just go to the website and check it out. If you want the user manual, get your phone out and scan that. I'll just hold it still for a second. And there's a picture of the back, the I/O at the back. Okay, so we'll just get that out of the way and let's look at the board itself. Is it sealed up? It is. It's got a little bit of tape on it. I like to cut the tape rather than just pull it, so I'll just get the scissors and cut it. Let's get the board out and have a look. It's got a bit of weight to it, a bit of heft, which is always nice. So there's the board itself. There aren't any sticky things on any of the heat sinks, so you've got to watch for grubby fingers. There is a little, it does look like there's a little bit of film over the motherboard name, and it's actually quite heavy because that's a metal heatsink. So there's the back again, so you can see what's on that. That's metal as well. All the heatsinks are metal, so they're sort of not decorative like you get on some motherboards, and the back is obviously just the back of it. So there you go. I'll be using this for a build later. So any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. Hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching.